It goes without saying that your pregnancy diet is extremely crucial for your body to function at its best. But nausea, morning sickness, and fatigue can make it challenging to eat for two, especially during early pregnancy or the first trimester. Many pregnant women find it difficult to even digest their favorite foods during this time. Unsure about which foods to opt for? Here's our expert recommended list of 5 top highly nutritious foods that you need to add to your pregnancy diet. Aim to consume at least 3 to 4 servings a day and try to consume at least 1 citrus fruit each day as they are rich in vitamin C. It's best to avoid fruit juices as they are high in calories compared to whole fruits and they also don't provide fiber benefits. Salmon is one of the best foods to eat during pregnancy. This fatty fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids which directly help in the development of your baby's brain and eyes. Salmon is also a great and delicious source of iodine. Usually, pregnant women are asked to avoid eating fish because of the high mercury levels, but salmon is a safe dish to eat. Eggs are a great source of protein and contain choline, a vital nutrient for pregnancy. Just a single egg contains 146 milligrams of choline, and this helps in preventing developmental abnormalities of the brain and spinal cord. During pregnancy, your blood volume increases by around 45% and your body will channel hydration to the fetus to share nutrients. When you don't drink enough water, it makes you dehydrated and side effects like headache, anxiety, and fatigue. It also increases the risk of early labor, constipation, and urinary tract infections which are common during pregnancy. Legumes are a great source of folate which is important during pregnancy that helps to reduce the risk of certain birth defects and diseases. Choosing which foods to include and what recipes to follow can be difficult, which is why we have created expert recommended pregnancy diet charts to simplify it. Head to Milo app today to get your free pregnancy diet chart today.